Interface versus abstract class explained. Beginner level. Introduction. In object-oriented programming, OOP, developers design software using classes, objects, and reusable structures to build flexible and maintainable systems. Programmers often use abstract classes and interfaces. Both concepts help define common behavior that multiple classes must follow, but they are used in different situations. Understanding the difference between interface and abstract class is very important for developers. Working with languages like Python, Java, C++, C#, both are commonly used in large software systems to design clean and scalable code. What is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly and is designed to be inherited by other classes. It can contain abstract methods, methods without implementation, normal methods, methods with implementation, variables, attributes. Abstract classes provide a partial implementation of functionality. Example of abstract class. Example in Python. From ABC import ABC. Abstract method. Class vehicle. ABC. Def start _ engine. Self. Print. Engine started. Add abstract method. Def drive. Self. Pass. Class car. Vehicle. Def drive. Self. Print. Car is driving. Car equals car. Car. Start _ engine. Car. Drive. Output. Engine started. Car is driving. Explanation. Vehicle is an abstract class. Start _ engine is a normal method. Drive is an abstract method. Car must implement the drive method. What is an interface? An interface is a structure that defines only method signatures without implementation. Classes that implement an interface must implement all the methods defined in it. An interface describes what a class should do, not how it should do it. Languages like Java and C# support interfaces directly. In Python, interfaces are usually implemented using abstract classes with only abstract methods. Example of interface concept. Example. From ABC import ABC. Abstract method. Class payment method. ABC. Add abstract method. Def pay. Self. Amount. Pass. Class credit card. Payment method. Def pay. Self. Amount. Print. Paid. Amount. Using credit card. Class PayPal. Payment method. Def pay. Self. Amount. Print. Paid. Amount. Using PayPal. Usage. Payment equals credit card. Payment.pay. 100. Output. Paid 100 using credit card. Explanation. Each class implements the same interface method but with different behavior. Key differences between interface and abstract class. Feature abstract class interface. Methods can have both abstract and concrete methods, only method declarations. Variables can have instance variables, usually only constants. Implementation. Partial implementation allowed, no implementation. Inheritance. A class typically extends one abstract class. A class can implement multiple interfaces. Purpose. Provide shared base functionality. Define a contract for behavior. Simple example. Imagine building a vehicle system using abstract class. Class vehicle. Def start. Self. Print. Vehicle starting. Child classes inherit this common behavior. Using interface. An interface might define required methods. Drivable. Drive. Stop. Any class implementing this interface must implement those methods. Example classes. Car. Bike. Bus. Real-life analogy. Think of a job contract. An interface is like a job description. Work hours. Responsibilities. Required tasks. It only defines what must be done. An abstract class is like training provided by the company. It gives some default behavior and guidelines. but employees still implement their own work methods. When to use an abstract class. Use an abstract class when checkmark classes share common code. Checkmark you want to provide default functionality. Checkmark there is a strong parent-child relationship. Example: vehicle means car means electric car. When to use an interface. Use an interface when checkmark different classes must follow the same contract. Checkmark classes may come from unrelated hierarchies. Checkmark multiple behaviors must be implemented. Example: flyable, swimmable, runnable. Different classes may implement these behaviors. Advantages of interfaces. Checkmark promotes loose coupling. Checkmark allows multiple inheritance of behavior. Checkmark encourages clear system design. Checkmark improves flexibility. Advantages of abstract classes. Checkmark allows code reuse. Checkmark provides partial implementation. Checkmark reduces duplicate code. Checkmark supports shared logic. Disadvantages. Abstract class. Crossmark cannot support multiple inheritance in many languages. Crossmark can become complex if too many responsibilities are added. Interface. Crossmark no code reuse. In many languages, crossmark requires full implementation in each class. Where interfaces and abstract classes are used, they are widely used in web frameworks, large enterprise applications, game engines, mobile applications, API design. Examples: payment method means credit card, PayPal. Shape means circle, rectangle. Database connector means MySQL connector, Mongo connector. These patterns make software modular and scalable. Simple definition. Abstract class. A class that provides partial implementation and is meant to be inherited by other classes. Interface. A structure that defines a set of methods that a class must implement. Final summary. Abstract classes and interfaces help programmers. Checkmark define common behavior. Checkmark build flexible and scalable systems. Checkmark reduce code duplication. Checkmark enforce design rules in large software systems. The key difference. Abstract class means provides partial implementation. Interface means defines only a contract. Both are essential tools for building well-structured object-oriented programs.